Hi everyone. Today I'll be making banana bread bites using my Rise by Dash donut bite maker. What all goes into the banana bread bites? 1/2 cup flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1/2 cup mashed overripe bananas, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup neutral oil. So let's begin. Take a medium bowl, your 1/2 cup of flour, your 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and whisk that together until thoroughly combined. Take a large bowl, dump in your 1/2 cup of brown sugar and your 1 egg, and whisk that together. Then dump in your 1/2 cup of mashed bananas, your 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You could add banana extract, do half and half, or just substitute banana extract for the vanilla, but I have the vanilla here. And the 1/4 cup of neutral oil. I have vegetable oil, and whisk that together until thoroughly mixed. Then take your dry ingredients and mix them with the wet ingredients. And mix that until thoroughly incorporated. Plug your donut bite maker in, let it preheat for 3 minutes. After it's preheated for 3 minutes, take your oil, either non-aerosol oil or a brush. I'm just going to dip it in with a paper towel and do it that way in all of the wells. I think I used olive oil the last time, which I probably should have used this time. You don't want to use the Pam nonstick cooking spray because it will ruin the finish of any of these little appliances. Now you can take a piping bag, cut off the end and pipe them in. That's the way they recommend. I have just 1/4 of a teaspoon that I'm going to use. And you want to fill them up to the top, but not overfill them. And I find 1/4 of a teaspoon works pretty good. And as you can see, they're already starting to cook before I get them all put in there. We want them to rise and become like a little donut bite. My little donut bites that I made, the maple ones, made 63 donut bites. I'm not sure how many of these will make, probably about the same. Made a mess with that one. It jumped right out of the spoon. But it is non-stick, so it'll be easily to clean. Put the lid down and cook them anywhere between 2 and 3 minutes. I'm going to do 3 minutes to check and then decide on the next ones how long to do it. After 3 minutes, now you want to use a wooden or silicone utensil to remove these. I don't have either. I am using a plastic one. Just careful not to, aren't those cute? Not to melt my fork. You don't want to use metal because it will scratch the nonstick surface. They turned out pretty good. They don't rise quite like the donuts do. And this one, I'll just remove the little ring around it. That's what happens when you overfill it. All right, I'll finish those and then I'll be back. So these made 8 batches. That's 72 banana bread bites. So here are the banana bread bites that I made in my Dash donut bite maker. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Smells like banana.
It is banana bread bites. That's made in my Dash donut bite maker.
Mmm. I hate to say this, but I'm going to need a few more of these. They're good. Turn the camera off and bring me some more. That's better. This one's empty, okay? I'm just saying. Quit looking.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.